Check futures, please. Reading for the Dow Industrials, down about 100. Small losses for the S&P and the Nasdaq, with a couple of minutes to go to the opening bell. David Nicholas joins me now. David, I think it's true to say that investors are hoping for a retreat on tariffs of some kind before tomorrow. My question is, what happens if they don't get any kind of retreat and they go in full tilt?
Yeah, no question. The market wants to see a retreat. I don't know if we're going to see it by tomorrow, but Stuart, it's clear that the market could easily be down another 10% if we don't get clear answers on this going into May. You know the old expression, sell in May and go away? Well, that's generally the case. If we don't have a resolution to these tariffs by the summer months, that's where we're going to see the real selling pressure. But again, to keep it in context, it's actually hard to believe, Stuart, the S&P is down 4% year to date. In spite of all the noise, the barrage of bad information, the S&P is down 4. It's up 50 in the last 2 years. So the market is doing pretty well relative to the bad news that's been coming out of D.C.
Well, the sentiment on the market is really awful. I mean, it's as bearish as I've seen it for a long time. Now, is that a buy signal?
That's right. Sentiment is so bad. I say sentiment is so bearish, it's bullish. Because when sentiment is really bad, when you look at the forward returns, that's when investors get the best returns over a 1 and 5 year basis. When sentiment is overly bullish, that's when I get worried. So to me, the fact that everyone is so bearish, that is actually bullish, and our investors should be using this to put money to work, Stuart.
Okay, we got it. David, thanks very much for joining us this morning.